Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English podcast.
Hi friends, today we talk about shopping at the grocery store.
Yes, we learn simple English for beginners and practice daily conversation.
Remember, if you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.
Great, let's start slowly and listen carefully.
First word is aisle. Aisle means the path between shelves.
For example, the eggs are in aisle 4.
Next word is cart. A cart is what you push to carry your groceries.
You can also say trolley if you are from England.
Good job. Another word is price. Price means how much something costs.
Sale means it is cheaper than usual.
Discount is another word for cheaper today.
Fresh means the food is new, clean, and good.
Checkout is the place where you pay for items.
Self-checkout means you scan and pay by yourself.
Okay, now listen to a short conversation.
Excuse me, do you know where the eggs are?
Yes, they are in aisle 4, next to the milk.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, do you know where the eggs are?
Good. Now, they are in aisle 4, next to the milk.
Nice job. Now conversation about prices.
Look, the apples are very cheap today.
Really? Let me see. Yes, they are cheaper than last week.
Should we get red apples or green apples?
The red ones look fresher.
Okay, let us buy them.
Now conversation about juice.
The orange juice is on sale today.
Good idea. Let's take 2 bottles.
Yes. Do we need bread?
Yes, a loaf of bread is good.
Now conversation about snacks.
Look, the cookies are on sale too.
Let us take some chocolate cookies.
Great choice.
We also need some milk.
Yes, 2 liters is enough.
Okay, now let's go to the checkout.
I will pack the bags and you scan the items.
Perfect. Teamwork.
Repeat after me. Let us go to the checkout.
Now I will scan the items.
I will pack the bags.
Good job. Now conversation about paying.
How much is everything?
It is $20.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Your payment is successful.
You can take your receipt.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Repeat after me. How much is everything?
Here is my card. Thank you. Your payment is successful.
You are welcome. Great. Now practice some sentences about grocery items.
Bread, milk, eggs, apples, juice, cookies, vegetables, fruits, cheese, rice.
Repeat after me. Bread, milk, eggs.
Apples, juice, cookies.
Vegetables, fruits, cheese, rice.
Good job. Now conversation about asking for help.
Excuse me, can you help me find the cheese?
Yes, it is in aisle 5, near the butter.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me find the cheese?
It is in aisle 5, near the butter.
Thank you so much.
Good job. Now conversation about fresh vegetables.
These carrots look fresh.
Yes, the tomatoes are also fresh.
I like fresh vegetables for my salad.
Repeat after me. These carrots look fresh.
Yes, the tomatoes are fresh.
Great. Now conversation about comparing prices.
The apples are cheaper than oranges.
Yes, oranges are more expensive today.
Repeat after me. The apples are cheaper than oranges.
Oranges are more expensive today.
Good job. Now conversation about asking for a bag.
Can I have a bag, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Repeat after me. Can I have a bag, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Now let's review today's new words.
Aisle, cart, price, sale, discount, fresh, checkout, self-checkout, bag, eggs, apples, bread, milk, cookies, juice, vegetables, fruits, cheese, rice.
Good job. You can use these words every day in a grocery store.
Now, let's do a short role play. Imagine you meet a friend in the store.
Hello, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. How about you?
I am happy to see you.
What do you want to buy today?
I need milk, eggs, and bread.
I want apples, juice, and cookies.
Let's shop together.
Good idea.
Repeat after me. Let's shop together.
We buy milk, eggs, and bread.
We buy apples, juice,
and cookies.
Excellent. Now, think about your next grocery trip.
Say what you want to buy in English.
Great job, everyone.
Tell us in the comments what is the first thing you buy in a grocery store.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Remember, practice every day and you will improve.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.